I am trying to get a head start on some things that I want to accomplish next year. It's been a while since I have had my room the way I want it. In the meantime, in between time, my room just like had zero identity. I want a space where I can feel inspired and creative. And I will be documenting that process until my room is completely just overhauled. I want to try to have it at least halfway done by my birthday, and that's in June. So
you know how it feels. Oh mine, oh mine, yeah. Oh mine, oh mine, oh mine, yeah. Oh mine, oh mine, yeah. Oh mine, oh mine.
You're in the mix now with DJ Suki G.
Drop your dot, you know I'm coming. Lace front, f***ed up, you should've wore your bunny. Running from me, running, running from me, running.
Drop the low, I'm coming. I already know it's running from me, girl. It's truly a blessing. You can make all the mess that you want, and that's all that I want. Is for you to running like a faucet.
Whoa, yeah.
Football, where you going?
Working even on your days off. Yeah, yeah. Body right, everything so. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 2 shots, you don't really talk. Business card showing you the boss. We could take a jet to see the world. I know you a small city girl. 21, 21. I know niggas in your DM. She don't wanna be a BM. Who the we them? No cap, Kizzy or Brim. Late night, gripping off a skim. Wintertime, I got on my Timbs. That's better. In the Timbs. 21. These bitches call me Sugar Ray. I might bob a nigga on play. Call her Uber, she done overstayed. Every hour doing on the way. Hot, I'm straight up out the A. Hot shit, come up out the K. My little brother got more Mac than Ye. I wanna feel your stomach. Grab the sheets, I wanna see you running. Running from me. Running. Running from me. Running. Drop your dot, you know I'm coming. Lace front, f***ed up, you should've wore your bunny. Running from me. Running. Running from me. Yeah, running.
So I feel pretty good about this so far. I'm actually loving this, even though right here my boots aren't supposed to be right there, but like, I don't know, they're more like heels, you know, so I just kind of set them right there. I might either hang them down here with these or maybe just keep them right there, honestly. But yeah, I'm loving this shelf. I can't wait to get this other side situated, but shout out to my dad. He was in here playing Bob the Builder for real. Like he got the he got the instructions and everything taped to the wall. But this is super dope. I love how you can just pull it out, get full access. Like, yes, get me together. Get me together. Get me together. Y'all don't understand. I'm so excited about this. Now I'm sitting here on the floor in my closet trying to figure out what I'm gonna do next. But As for my shelf, she done. I got a couple pairs of boots that I did not put over in this area, and I don't know if I will, because after going through all of my shoes, I definitely saw a few pairs that I just want to get rid of, donate, whatever. But yeah, you know when you do like a really big task or like deep clean, and then the desire to finish the task just like fades away, and now you're just in there with a huge mess. I just got these boxes all around, and I'm gonna take them to the recycle bin outside or whatever. But it's raining right now, so I can't even do that. So I'm just about to wrap it up. I don't think I really got much else that I can do right now, rather. Like I could, but do I want to do that right now? No, my goal for today was to get this shelf, all my shoes on the shelf, and I accomplished that. So that's that, but I really can't wait to show y'all the rest. But I'm not gonna show all this mess in front of me because, child, I gotta get my clothes organized and together. But once I get my room together, like a lot of my stuff will be in my closet. So that's like, this space is like my #1 priority right now. That's also why I'm super excited about the shelf, because it frees up so much floor space that I could fit like my Foot Locker in here. And my goal is to like be able to switch out certain pieces of clothes, like for spring, summer, and fall, winter, to kind of save more space. I gotta bring my jewelry, my fragrances, all of that is in my room. So I still have to make space on the shelves in front of me to put all that stuff in here. And then I could work on my room. But, oh Lord, if y'all could see what I see, like I don't even want to show y'all this right now. Like I would rather show y'all an empty room, but this it's getting crazy because I've really been working on it, or at least trying to. I ain't gonna say I've been doing something every day, but you know, I'm making way more progress. Like this was supposed to be a project that got completed last year, and that just did not happen. So I told myself, we making this happen this year, and I'm excited about the progress so far. I'm just keep on keeping on. I'm trying to figure out which one of those colors that I showed earlier that I want to use for my room. I'm thinking I might end up going with platinum. And then there's another one that's growing on me called ginger sugar. And it's kind of like a gray, but I'm trying to figure out what it's gonna look like on my wall, or trying to envision it. But I got ideas, y'all. And I'm definitely looking forward to continuing to show rather how everything comes together. Cause yeah. So that's it.